Welcome to Oven Cake and Cookies. Today I'm making a classic flour pudding, smooth, creamy and layered with a beautiful caramel topping. Simple ingredients, comforting taste and a perfect chill dessert for any day. Let's start the recipe. In a pan add half cup butter and half cup flour. Roast on low heat. Stirring continuously until aromatic. Flour pudding is a traditional homemade dessert. Roast flour on low heat to avoid raw taste. Add 2 cups milk gradually and mix well. Stir continuously for smooth texture. Cook until the mixture thickens smoothly. Add 1/3 cup sugar and 1 teaspoon rose water. Mix well and cook for 3 to 5 minutes. Rose water gives a gentle aromatic finish. Grease oil in a 6-inch mold and pour the milk pudding mixture. Keep aside to set slightly. Now prepare the top layer. Mix 1/4 cup water with 1 tablespoon flour. Keep aside. In another pan, add 1/4 cup sugar and 1 teaspoon water. Cook until the sugar caramelizes. Caramel adds a rich contrast to mild milk flavors. Add 2 tablespoons water. Then slowly add the flour mixture. Mix well until smooth. Pour the caramel layer over the milk pudding. Let it cool down and refrigerate for 1 hour. Chilled pudding tastes smoother and richer. Milk provides calcium and protein. Homemade pudding avoids preservatives. Garnish with dry fruits and serve chilled. Control sweetness keeps it balanced. A comforting dessert when enjoyed in moderation. Your flour pudding is silky, flavorful and perfectly layered. Serve it chilled for best taste. Try this recipe at home and share your feedback. Follow Oven Cake and Cookies for more traditional dessert.